Hello everyone, just giving another fully charged update here. This is my 18650 battery pack I'm building for the second battery bank for the Powerwall solar generator. This is really cool. It's got a Bluetooth dongle. I can keep track of everything, temperature sensor. Here goes how I'm going to fuse the cells on it. I'm going on vacation here soon, so it's probably going to be a little while before I can get an update on the video of the build on this one. Probably going to go on vacation here for a month, so there'll be another smaller metal box on top of here for the 18650s, so that I can keep the LiFePO4 and the 18650s separated. As an electric car technician, I keep all my 18650s the same manufacturer and everything, so there's no problem.